Alright, it is Wednesday, August 29th, 2018 at 2 p.m. Let's take a look at some storms. Alright, we got Tropical Storm Miriam with maximum sustained winds of 60 knots at 70 miles an hour, with minimal central pressure at 996 millibars, located 14.2 north and 139.4 west, movement west at 10 knots or 12 miles per hour. We also have Norman, Tropical Storm Norman, with maximum sustained winds of 55 knots or 65 miles an hour, minimum central pressure of 994 millibars, located at 17.8 north and 115.7 west, movement west-northwest at 9 knots or 10 miles an hour. And we also have Disturbance 1 in the Pacific, with a 10% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours. It has 10% chance of 48 hours and 60% chance of in 5 days to develop into something. Alright. Next, also in the Atlantic, we have a Disturbance 1 with 10% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours off the African coast. So, let's take a look at our loop of Miriam. She is looking rather large. Hopefully she does not keep intensifying, but she is growing large right now. Also, we have Norman. He is smaller, not as organized as Miriam. Alright, let's take a look here. We see Miriam off the coast, off the edge of the map here, in the Pacific. And we see Norman here more below California and Mexico. Alright, also in the middle of the United States, in Missouri and parts of Illinois, there are a storm and rain happening right there. Also storms happening off the coast of Louisiana and the coast of Texas, and some storms happening in the Gulf region of Florida. Alright, let's take a look at the Atlantic wide. There's some storms happening in the Antilles and getting closer to Puerto Rico, and also off the coast of Africa, that they have a 10% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours. As you see here, off the coast of Africa. Hopefully it does not develop into anything, but there is a 10% chance of formation. Alright, let's take a look at total precipitable water in the Atlantic right now. Off the coast of Africa, as you see here, plenty of water and rain. And also here in the Gulf, there's a little bit, but not a lot. Alright, and also in the Antilles and heading for Puerto Rico. Alright, that's it for today's forecast. Hopefully no storms develop in the Atlantic, and let's pray for Hawaii that none of those storms, Miriam or Norman, or the one disturbance hit Hawaii. Hopefully they miss and everything is fine with Hawaii. Alright, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like button and subscribe.